Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're putting two of Foxwell's latest scan tools head-to-head, Foxwell NT809 2024 All-System Bidirectional Scan Tool and Foxwell NT909 Wireless Scan Tool. Both are powerful bidirectional scanners that can diagnose nearly any system in your car. But which one is right for you? So, let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the Foxwell NT809, the ultimate diagnostic tool for car enthusiasts. If you're someone who loves working on cars or wants to take control of your vehicle's health, this review is for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's give you a quick overview of the Foxwell NT809. It's a professional automotive diagnostic scanner designed to provide accurate and comprehensive information about your vehicle's performance. It supports a wide range of car makes and models, making it suitable for both dealers and professional mechanics. Now, let's talk about the key features and benefits that make the Foxwell NT809 a standout diagnostic tool. Extensive vehicle coverage. One of the most impressive features of the NT809 is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports a vast array of car manufacturers, including domestic, Asian, and European models. This means that no matter what car you own or work on, the NT809 is likely to have you covered. All-system diagnostics. With the NT809, you can perform all-system diagnostics, including reading and clearing trouble codes, viewing live data, and conducting active tests. This makes it a powerful tool for identifying and resolving issues within your vehicle's engine, transmission, ABS, sensors, and more. Advanced functionality. The NT809 goes beyond basic diagnostics. It offers advanced functionalities such as oil service reset, electronic parking brake service, battery configuration, and more. These features are incredibly useful for performing maintenance tasks and resetting service indicators. User-friendly interface. Navigating through the NT809's interface is a breeze. It features a large color LCD screen with intuitive menu options, making it easy to access the desired functions and view diagnostic results. Final thoughts and recommendation. After extensively testing the Foxwell NT809, we can confidently say that it's a top-notch diagnostic tool with exceptional capabilities. Whether you're a dealer or a professional mechanic, this scanner provides accurate and detailed information to help you diagnose and fix problems with ease. Overall, the Foxwell NT809 is a great value for the price. It has a wide range of features and is easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable OBD2 scanner, the Foxwell NT809 is a great option. Foxwell NT909 Scan Tool. If you're tired of guessing what's wrong with your car, this tool is a game changer. Stay tuned to find out how it can help you save time and money on car repairs. Alright, let's kick things off by unboxing the Foxwell NT909 Scan Tool. When you get your hands on this device, you'll find it well packed in a sturdy carrying case. The case is not only a convenient storage solution but also provides protection. Inside the case, you'll find the scan tool itself, the user manual, an OBD2 cable, and a USB cable for updates. Now, let's talk about getting started. The Foxwell NT909 is designed to be user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. To begin, simply plug the OBD2 cable into your vehicle's OBD2 port. This is typically located beneath your steering Wheel. Once connected, power on the scan tool. The Foxwell NT909 scan tool offers a plethora of features that make it stand out. Here are some of the highlights. Full OBD2 functionality. It supports all 10 OBD-EI test modes, including live, data, readiness status, freeze frame, and more. Wide vehicle coverage. The NT909 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including OBD2 and EIB-compliant vehicles, SUVs, light trucks, and 12 volts diesel cars. Large color screen. The 4.0-inch color display is clear and easy to read, ensuring you can access and interpret data without squinting. DTC lookup. Get a better understanding of diagnostic trouble codes DTCs. With the built-in DTC library, it provides detailed explanations for quick and accurate troubleshooting. Data recording and playback. The tool allows you to record data during diagnosis and play it back, helping you pinpoint intermittent issues. Using the Foxwell NT909 scan tool is straightforward. Once it's connected to your vehicle, you can read and clear codes. The scan tool can quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, helping you identify and fix issues in no time. Live data. Access real-time data from your vehicle's sensors, allowing you to monitor engine performance, fuel efficiency, and more. View freeze frame data. Check the snapshot of your vehicle's operating conditions at the moment a DTC is triggered. I/M readiness test. Quickly determine if your vehicle is ready for an emissions test. Staying up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostics is crucial. The Foxwell NT909 scan tool can be easily updated using the included USB cable. This ensures you have the most accurate information at your fingertips. Here are some additional pros and cons that I found from user reviews. Pros of the Foxwell NT909 scan tool. Comprehensive diagnostic coverage for all systems and vehicles. Bidirectional control for active tests and ECU coding. Key programming and matching for selected vehicles. 8-inch touchscreen display with Android 9 operating system. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity. 2-year free software update. Cons of the Foxwell NT909 scan tool. Expensive. Key programming function only works for selected vehicles. Some users have reported issues with connectivity and software updates. Overall, the Foxwell NT909 is a powerful and versatile scan tool that can be used by professional mechanics and deers alike. It offers a wide range of features and functions, including bidirectional control, ECU coding, and key programming for select vehicles. However, it is also one of the more expensive scan tools on the market, and some users have reported issues with connectivity and software updates. If you're interested in the Foxwell NT909 scan tool, we've provided a link in the video description where you can find more information and purchase one for yourself. The NT809 is a fantastic wired scanner for comprehensive diagnostics at a good value. If you need ECU coding and a wireless experience, the NT909 is the way to go. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your needs and budget. Whichever scanner you choose, Foxwell delivers top-notch quality and functionality. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.